welcome to my channel. My name is Samuel Uzbechukwu, and in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to build your own website without writing a code or hiring a professional. This platform hosts over 40% of websites on the internet. I know you're wondering, why do I need a website? As a professional, content creator or a writer, your website helps you get discovered by more people, which also leads to higher productivity. It also serves as your CV. And as a business, it helps with your online presence and visibility. It builds credibility and professionalism for your business. It helps with marketing and branding, and also with customer convenience, which helps them to order for product or service without having to leave their houses or their office. And also it helps with competitive advantage, which means it helps you with a higher edge to reach more audience than the other stores or the other businesses where you operate locally. So what do you need to start your website? You need basically two things: a domain and a hosting. A domain name is the unique identity that your website will have that once typed on the search bar of a browser, it leads the person direct to your domain. And for hosting, a hosting platform is like a house where when someone clicks or search for the name, it brings them to your house. So to get started, let's head to our browser and type www.wordpress.com. So wait for it to load up. It brings you to this beautiful page, WordPress Your Way. So it shows login, that's if you have your email address registered with WordPress already. If you don't have, you use the option Get Started. But we'll scroll down so you can see all the beautiful plans available on WordPress.com before getting started or signing up. Sorry, I have it. So down here you see there's a plan for you. Pay monthly, pay annually. So we have 6 plans, 6 different plans in WordPress.com. The first is free, and it's free. You pay $0 for both the plan and for domain name. No expiry date. It's a beautiful themes and patterns, unlimited pages, unlimited users, time machine for post edit, built-in newsletter and RSS, brute force protection, smart redirect, online forever. See that? Online forever. Nothing like, oh, you did not renew your plan this year, your website will be down for the period. No, it remains online. But there is a bad side to this, or the downside of this is you have an extension that shows that yes, this website is registered on WordPress.com, which is the extension on the end of your name would be WordPress.com. Another thing is you don't have the leverage to monetize with AdWords or any other ad revenue platform. And for the next one, which is Starter. For Starter, you pay $4 monthly and $48 annually if you want to pay. And you also know that domain names on WordPress.com are free for the first 1 year. And from subsequent year, you pay from $12 to $40 or $45 depending on the name and the platform you choose. So what do you have in Starter? Everything that I've mentioned in the free version, plus ad-free experience, extremely fast DNS with SSL, support by mail. One of the major differences is that you have the option to communicate with the support, the happiness engineer, and the entire support of WordPress.com through email. They communicate with you through email as well. And another thing is that the extension of WordPress.com will no longer be attached to your email, to your blog, or to your website. For Explorer, we have everything that's in Starter, and of course, everything that's in Starter include everything in the free version. So in Explorer, which I have used for some time, you pay $8 per month and $96 annually. And some of the free or some of the important or the benefits of the starter or the Explorer over the starter is live chat support. So you can actually communicate while on your website to the support of wordpress.com and get your query sorted out. Another is premium team. You have access to multiple teams. You're not limited in the teams like in the starter or the free version. Then you also have the opportunity to ads. So what ads is WordPress traffic revenue, where you get to monetize the traffic that comes to your website or to your blog. So, but the downside to this is you only have the option to monetize your traffic with word ads. You can't add any other ad revenue without paying for plugin. That's the downside of the Explorer. So if you want to add, for example, Google AdSense or any other ad revenue platform, you have to pay for plugin, which is about $35 annually. So if you want to have multiple options, as you can see, the storage for the free is just 1 gig, the storage for the starter is 6 gig, and the storage for Explorer is 13 gig. So for creator, where you have option to add, install as multiple plugins, install multiple themes in case you don't like the theme available on WordPress.com, you want to build your own theme and bring it in, or you want to engage a third-party team, you have the leverage to do that. And also, you're not restricted to the number of plugins you put. So that you're going to pay $25 per month, or you pay $300 annually. Then you have Entrepreneur for $45 per month or $540 per year. Enterprise $25,000 per year. But for this tutorial, we're going to be starting with the free version or the free plan. Though it's going to have an extension of WordPress.com, but if you're just starting out and you want to try or know what website is like, or you're starting your first blog, or you just love to write about something, and you're a student, you don't have the money to get a paid plan, then you can start and you can upgrade as you begin to build traffic on your website. So we'll start by clicking Start with Free. This will bring you to a page, create your own account, create with Google, continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with email. So I'm going to continue with Google because it makes it easier for me. I already have Google account signed in. Making your cookies, planning the next chess move. So here, personalize your site. Add a site icon if you want to put a logo to your site. We're in a boutique, an online boutique, so let's apply this. And the name of our website will be Gold and Glamour. Turn on the lights, making a cookie. So it brings us to this page where it asks us to pick a design of what our theme should look like, or want our theme to look like. You can see the premium themes are marked with premium, so we can't use it on this free version. So you have to look for the one that is marked free. Let's design your own. So here in Design Your Own, we have something. Here we can change different things ourselves because we don't want to use what they gave us before. So we select from our patterns the header. So let's choose the header we like. Do we want the header with social icons on top, or a header with a button like this, or a header with a button? Then we can still edit anything here. If we want to remove the social icon and put it at maybe a home page, or put it as our about, we can still remove it and change anything. We can still, it's very flexible to edit. Very simple, no extra. So this is what our header will look like. So the only thing we have here is just about. See, this is okay. This is fine. Let's do this. Newsletter, should we put newsletter? People can subscribe to so they can see when we post new arrival or new products we just received in our boutique. So let's add a picture to it, or let's add something like this to the background of our newsletter. And we're going to put a golden wristwatch, something behind it. So for our contact, we can choose a contact form that has our social address, maybe map to our location, email address, and everything. So I think this should have a map. This also has a map below. This, I think this is fine. I prefer this. This is fine. I've used something like this before and I really like it. Maybe I should repeat it here. Let's do it. So we're done selecting. For colors, we are just limited to one color because we're using the free version. But for premium, we have different options below. So since we're limited, we don't have choice. Let's just select it. And for font, we are also limited to just one font on that page. Save and continue. Great job! Time to add more content and bring your site to life. Turn on the light, getting started. Great job. Let's cancel this out so we can start editing right away. So you can see our logo is already selected. You can see it's gold and glamour, and our about page is here. Okay, just click and start editing. You can remove this. You can add. These are called blocks on WordPress. So this block, you can decide to remove this block completely. You can try to edit it. If you want to add something else to this content, you can just tap on the plus button and we add more stuff. What should we add here? I don't think there's any social handle, but I don't want to add anything here because this is okay for me. About and contact, that's all. So let's leave this like this. So when you tap on this icon, it brings you back to the home page. Tap on this name, it brings you back here. The golden style of glamour. So introducing our latest golden chains, rings and gowns. This is the perfect taste of glamour, now available exclusively in our online store. I think this is perfect. So you see the things. So it doesn't look so scanty. That's all I did. So to reduce it, you just highlight it and then change it. As the number increases, the smaller it becomes. So 1 is the highest, which is like the header. So we use it for just to make it look better. So I think that to use a logo on it. I think it's okay. It's okay. We can adjust it. So our store is located at Musa Market. We're good to go for socials. Yeah, if you want, you can type in your social, for example, just copy the link, do this hash, and then copy the link to your social media platform, maybe your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter. You can just copy it and paste it. Once you copy and paste, once you paste it, just click on this arrow. There's LinkedIn. So tap on LinkedIn and the icon appears too. Which other platform is not here that we need? We need X. Twitter is not here, so let's put Twitter. So let's look for X. X is here, so tap. And you have it. And once you tap on each one, you have the option to type in the link. So just go to your social media platform and copy the link to your page and paste it here. Now, let's contact us here. We are going to link it up with this contact here. So, and this about, we're going to link this about with the one up there. So we can also edit this remove phone number. So we personalize. It will be in pages. So when you go to pages, you see where to add them, and then you copy the link from there and add at this place. In terms of service, in that page, just put in the link here. So if someone clicks here, it takes the person to our terms of service, which is under our about page. And this privacy policy, the same thing, the write up. So once you copy it from the about page, just tap on this and just copy the link and paste it here. That's all done. Just tap save. So the same thing with our social handle. Just tap on this. You see, for example, your Facebook. Just tap on the pencil icon, and when it opens, you put your Facebook link, your Twitter, your Instagram. You know, of course, you can change it because it's all around Twitter, but you can still change it this way that you put in bracket X. So for those who know it as X, they won't make mistake asking which is Twitter again for those, and as for those who don't know. But of course, everybody that know X know Twitter, so you can just put X in bracket and save it. For Instagram, and just in case you wish. We don't want your Instagram to be here. Let's say, for example, you want to change Instagram, you can just edit. Let's say you prefer your LinkedIn, you can just delete your Instagram and type LinkedIn. But Instagram is better for selling, so let's leave it as Instagram. So Instagram is for selling. Leave it at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Those are basic places to sell. So I think this is good. Our page is all set up. Let's see what it looks like on a tablet. So this is what our page looks like on a tablet device. You see code and glamour, about, contact, say short now. And here's our newsletter. And you want to subscribe to get updates on your live, and just click on typing your email. And see our contact details. So let's see what it looks like on a mobile device. For a mobile device, this is what it looks like, or we should expect when someone visits our website with a mobile phone. This is what it looks like. So let's pull this up so you can see the header. This is what the header looks like. So I think this is okay. So let's go back to our editing. We can just save this for now. Yes, save homepage. We're done with our homepage. So open to our navigation. This is where we're going to add our pages. So for our contact page, let's build our contact page. So now you see in the contact page, we have the field we marked it as required. We marked it as required. So if you don't want it required, we want to check this button. So it's optional to put your name when contacting us, but because we want to know who is contacting us, so we have to check it again so that it becomes a requirement to send us an email. So for our Instagram page, the same link we copied in the other side, that's what we're going to paste here too. So for Instagram, we add it and then click. The same way if we want to add more, because we wanted to add our LinkedIn, so we add our LinkedIn here. So let's add our LinkedIn. Click on my site. All pages. Then click on date. So you can see we are done editing our footer of our home page. Everything is in place. So this is the look of our website now on desktop. So this is what our website looks like. Now to be sure that what we've been doing is accurate, let's do this. Let's click on our about. Let's see if it takes us to our about. So it's connected already, so it brings us to our about page. This is what we're editing our about page. Everything is correct. So just to be sure, let's also click on our contact. Let's see where contact will take us to. It will take us to the contact form we designed earlier. So it took us to the contact form. So we're here in the contact form where we made it a requirement for you to put your name and the email address before typing the message, and then our address is here, our phone number, our email address, our social handles, and everything. So let's go back and check for the ones below. Now we add our privacy policy. Let's see if it's going to lead us directly to our privacy policy page. So tap on this so it can take us back to the home page. Sorry, I have cold, so my voice. So we are now on our home page. let's click on our terms of service. You know, we just edited it now quite long. So let's see where it's going to take us. So it took us to our terms of service. You see? Payment validates order. We deliver exactly what you paid for. Our delivery days are Mondays through Saturdays. Orders received 4 p.m. on Saturday will be delivered on Monday. So it took us exactly to what we created earlier. So for us to go back, let's go and check out our privacy policy. Let's click on this so it can take us back to the home page. So we're back to our home page. Let's check it out. Let's click on privacy policy and see if everything is accurate. Wow. So we are all set up, our privacy policy page. So if someone comes to our website, this is what is going to happen. The person trying to check us out. So I think our website is good to go. We can publish our website now because we are ready for business. So let's go back to my site. And you know, you can also change this anytime you want. You can continue to edit. As you're using this, you're editing, you're making improvements, you're keep getting better. Well, maybe we should check what it looks like on different devices. So let's see what it looks like on our tablet again before we publish this website. Let's just see everything. This is beautiful, if you agree with me. So let's also look at what it looks like on a mobile device. So this one you can see on a mobile phone. I feel like starting this store already. Yeah, I feel like starting this store. You know, I created this just for the tutorial, but now I think I want to start this store right now. So we're good. Let's go back to desktop version. So now that you've clicked on launch our site, you can see you launched your site. Don't forget to share your handwork with everyone, then keep walking through your site's setup list. So let's view our site, what it looks like now. So this is our website already set up and running. So this is our home page. This is the item I just published now. You can shop from here. You click on shop here, and this email is to subscribe for people that want to subscribe to our channel, to our newsletter, so that once we publish they'll get the notification. So down here, if you click on contact us, it takes us to our contact page, which is this. So if someone comes to our page and want to contact us for a reason we did not find what they're looking for, or they want us to do something special for them, they can contact us with this form. So you click on this gold and glamour, or you click on the icon to go back to our home page. Now on the home page, let's also see there's a contact us on top of the page on the header. So let's click on the contact us. Let's see if it takes us back to the same. So it's the same page. So we are good to go with our contact us. Let's check our about us. Click on the about on the header. Let's see where it takes us. So it takes us to our about page. So everything is set up and running. So just go back, click on this to go back to the home page. So we're back to the home page. So let's see, let's scroll down to our footer. There's also an about us down on our footer. Let's click if it is connected to take us to the same page. So it's connected, everything is connected. So we have taken time to build our site to make it what it's supposed to be. So let's go back to our home page again. When you click here now, so on our terms of service, let's see where it will take us to. Wow, so our terms of service is taking us directly back to our terms of service. So let's check our privacy policy. Does it show the same thing? Our privacy policy takes us to our privacy policy page. So everything is set up and running. And you know the reason why this upgrade your plan now, you see there's something here showing, so because it's free version. So once you click on this upgrade, all this will stop showing on your website, and this extension of wordpress.com also will not show on your website again. So but since it's still free version, you can still earn money with this free version. In the next video, make sure you watch this. You can recommend someone just to learn how to set it up. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to earn with this free version. There are about 4 ways you can earn money through this free version of your website. So you have nothing to lose. See you in the next video. Hello, thank you for staying with me today in the tutorial. Just a quick recap. We talked about how to build your own website without writing a code or hiring a professional. How to choose a domain name that best describes your website and that is easy to remember. How to edit your theme, the entire website down to publishing of your website. If you got value from this tutorial, I encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share to reach more people. See you in the next video. Thank you.